Hello everybody and welcome to Wixpa Google Shopping feed. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up shipping and tax details on account level. So let's get started. I'm clicking on view. You can see these two issues are coming here, missing value and missing shipping information. And to resolve these issues, let's navigate to settings of your feed. If you selected this option, manually configure shipping in GMC during your feed setup, you will need to set up your shipping manually in Google Merchant Center. So let's navigate to Google Merchant Center now. Here you have to click on shipping and returns and then click on get started. After that, you have to select countries. You can select one or multiple countries for which you want to configure shipping. And then you have to enter your shipping policy name. After that, I'm clicking on continue. I'm going to set up shipping on all products, but you can choose to add any of these options according to your preferences and specific needs. Then click on continue. Next, you have to determine your delivery times. I'm setting up shipping manually rather than using a carrier, and then you have to select order cutoff time, handling time, and then transit time. And then we have total delivery time. Next, you have to select your currency, order value conditions, and then shipping cost type. I'm selecting weight, but you can choose to add any of these options according to your requirements. Now I'm filling out all this information according to my needs. And then I'm clicking on save. You can see our shipping information has been added to Google Merchant Center. So I'm clicking on done. All these details are showing here. Now, after setting the shipping details, make sure you configure return policies as well. So I'm clicking on add return policy. Here you have to paste the return policy URL. So let's navigate to our online store for getting this policy URL. Here you will see refund policy. I'm copying the link and then pasting it here. After that, you have to select countries and then you have to select these options. After that, I'm clicking on next. You can select all these options according to your preferences. After that, I'm clicking on next. Then I'm selecting the return method, return label, and then restocking fee. After that, I'm clicking on next. And then save. So finally, we have set up our return policies as well. You can see my return policy is now showing here. And we have also set up our shipping policies. After that, you have to set up the tax details. And for that, I'm clicking on business info and then on sales tax. Here I'm clicking on edit. You have two options here for setting up your sales tax. The first option is automatic based on customer location and the second option is manual. Right now I'm going with the automatic option and then clicking on save. You can see our sales tax is set up for New York, but you can edit it if you want to go with the manual method. But right now I'm going with the automatic method and then I'm clicking on save. So finally, we are done with setting up sales tax. I hope now you have got clear idea of setting shipping policies, return policies and sales tax. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app and thank you for watching this video.